Karen and Kevin should not be allowed out, period. But if they do happen to get out, please don't let them into an airport or a plane. That's trouble with a capital T. You're just about to see Kevin having his big mouth duct taped shut at last. Enjoy. This desperate air marshal had no other option but to duct tape Kevin's big mouth shut. Good call.
Let's go. You guys suck. My parents are worth $2 million goddamn. And you know what? You suck. Yeah. You know what? My grandpa is worth more than $1 million. Shut the f*** up! Yo, you're savage, yo!
Ladies and gentlemen.
Shut up!
Karen is spraying a fire extinguisher around an airport. Thank you very much, Karen, but there's no fire here. What are you even doing?
She's a terrorist.
Hey, close the door.
Oh my God. It's crazy. Oh my God.
No, you can't touch it. You gotta let the police go.
Stop resisting.
Karen is going on and on about climate change. So why are you flying on a plane, Karen? Your mouth is burning up energy, too.
She has called me names and insulted me just for sitting down in the seat saying that I came here to celebrate today.
Is there going to be a problem?
There will be. I would like for him to change seats with someone.
No, I'm going to get somebody. Well, you don't have that right. So I will get somebody to come along.
You pretend you have the moral high ground, but you put that man's finger on the nape of your butt. That man doesn't believe in climate change. Do you believe in gravity? Did you know gravity is just a theory?
Grab your belongings from me.
Where?
We're gonna have to take you off this plane. We're gonna have to take you off this plane right now. Can you grab your belongings and come with me, please? Please. Can you grab your belongings and come with me?
No. I paid for this seat and I'm sitting. He is in my space.
She's causing hostilities.
Either one or two ways like that. I need you to grab your belongings and come with me. Or I can there. That's where the plane. Transportation please.
I'm going home. My mother-in-law, his mother, died. And he had to be
What if we trade seats and she quiets down? How would that be? Apparently at this point, the captain is already getting called. It's no longer the captain doesn't know that it's still what y'all
Let's try that.
Please ask him again if we settle down, if that can be okay.
My husband lost his mother. Sorry.
Please ask him again if we settle down, if that can be okay. What if we trade seats and she quiets down? How would that be?
Man, we're waiting on you.
I'm American. You're a citizen.
Karen's trying to board the plane after the security doors have already closed. Those doors won't stop her now, but security will.
Mr. Flight, walked out emergency exit onto tarmac, automatic felony.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, Karen.
I want to speak to the manager.
Oh my God, Karen. Oh my God.
There they go. She's gone to jail.
Well, she's not going to rush on the phone.
Yeah, thank you.
Karen and Kevin have missed their flight. Time to make this ticket agent's life a living hell.
Give a damn. That's the whole reason why we're standing here.
Are you not understanding the fact that we have to get to Jacksonville?
Okay, well, give me $600 vouchers so I can find a flight that can get us out of here.
$200 vouchers. So it'd be $200 for her.
And $200 for the third person.
Let me know when you're ready.
Then let's get our vouchers so I can get another plane. And they were more than $200 tickets, so I want my money back for what I paid for those tickets.
Okay, when do you want to go out? The first available that I have tomorrow, because there's 3 of you flying.
I'm not flying Southwest. I will go get on another plane, but I want money to go get on another plane.
Okay, they will not accept our voucher, just to let you know.
So you're telling me that I'm screwed?
So we're both going to lose our jobs because of what y'all did with it. I need a corporate number. I want the general manager who works right down here right now.
I told them we were going to miss our flight. I told them we were going to miss our flight and wanted to do something about it then. And they told me to have a seat and we'll let you know when you're going to miss the flight. They
So,
tell us after we
missed
missed
the
the
flight.
flight that we missed the flight. No, we missed the flight. I could have told you that.
Right, but the thing is, probably the sooner you could have got out would not have been within the 50 minutes. It would have been tomorrow still.
We sat on that plane for an hour. What are you talking about?
You said 50 minutes prior. So you wouldn't have gotten anywhere 50 minutes sooner, not to Jacksonville.
Okay, so what do we do?
Okay, the first available that I have
Okay,
tomorrow.
let's stop talking about tomorrow. There's 3 of us in an airport.
Right.
What do we do? You talk about tomorrow.
And that's what I'm going to continue talking about. And the longer that we continue talking, the longer that the numbers keep going down.
Okay,
And it's
so
getting
am I
later in the day.
sleeping right here on this chair until tomorrow? That's what I'm talking about. When you're standing in an airport and you're talking about flights out tomorrow, what the hell am I supposed to do?
Now I'm like,
I lost my job, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Oh my God. Okay, just one way. I'll figure this out. What's the first flight you can get? This is absolutely
The first available for all 3 of you to travel together is at 1 o'clock tomorrow and at 5:15.
1 o'clock? No.
That's the first available for 3 people to fly together.
What's the first available for 2?
The first available for 2
You 2 will have to go.
Really?
would be at 10:30.
10:30 or 1 o'clock.
We don't have a choice right now, and I don't know what to do.
I don't remember.
Book the plane.
You want the one where all 3 of you?
We don't have a choice. I don't know what to do.
Give me all your corporate numbers too, because you're gonna be hearing from a lawyer. Good thing I got the corporate lawyer.
This all starts why? Because the pilot doesn't know how to steer.
Yep. This pilot probably is drunk, wasn't paying attention. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I have no idea what you're supposed to do.